Today's reflection on the Gospel is taken from Luke chapter 21, verses 5 to 11. The Gospel today begins with the discourse of Jesus called the Apocalyptic Discourse. It's a long discourse which will be the theme of Gospels in the next days, up to the last week of the liturgical year. In the days leading up to the Apocalyptic Discourse, Jesus had broken away from the temple, the priests and the elders, the Sadducees, and from the scribes who exploited the widows. Finally, as we read in yesterday's Gospel, he ends by praising the widow who gave as alms all she possessed. Now in today's Gospel, while some were talking about the temple, remarking how it was adorned with fine stonework and votive offerings, Jesus said, "The time will come when not a single stone will be left on another and everything will be destroyed." The main objective of this discourse is that take care not to be deceived. At a time of change and confusion, there are always people who want to take advantage of the situation and deceive others. This happens today, and it happened in the time of 80s, at the time when Luke wrote his Gospel. After this brief introduction, the discourse begins with the explanation of how destruction will take place. To understand these words, one has to understand that Jesus lives and speaks in the year 33. The readers of Luke live and listen in the year 85. Now, in the 50 years between the year 33 and 85, the majority of things mentioned by Jesus had already taken place and were known to everyone. Here ends the Gospel for today. That of tomorrow presents another sign, the persecution of the Christian communities. Thus, by means of the signs within the apocalyptic discourse, the communities of the 80s, the time when Luke wrote his Gospel, could see God's plan and discover that history had not escaped from the hands of God. Everything happened according to what was foretold and announced by Jesus. Amen. Have a nice day.